Hello everyone, welcome back to the final lecture of our ongoing series, Charcha, in which we've discussed all the important schemes in a chronological order. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Shivam and I have come up with a new series, Niti Pe Charcha, in which already I have explained that we have discussed all the important governments. So let's get started with the lecture. The first scheme is Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Launched in the year 2025, the nodal ministry for this scheme is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Who is our current minister for this ministry? His name is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, right? So, what is the aim of this scheme? The aim is to enhance agriculture productivity, sustainability, and farmer income in 100 underperforming districts. You remember this point. In 100 underperforming districts through integrated development of crops, allied sectors, and rural infrastructure. So, let's discuss some of the salient features of this scheme. What is the first salient feature? It is a convergent model scheme. That is, it integrates 36 existing schemes across 11 ministries and departments rather than being an entirely new standalone scheme. So it brings all together 36 schemes that we have already discussed in our previous lectures. Like you can check from in 2019 also there were some schemes. In 2020 there was some schemes. Do let me know in comment box if you have seen these videos. Selection of 100 underperforming districts with criteria such as low productivity, low cropping intensity, and limited credit access to focus efforts so that these 100 districts can also come on par with those districts that are having better agriculture produce, right? A digital dashboard and monitoring framework, the scheme will track progress through 117 key performing indicators. Right? Do remember how many indicators are there? 117 key indicators are there to ensure accountability. The last point is the emphasis on modern technology, mechanisms, and infrastructure like storage, cold chains, drip and sprinkler irrigation. How does drip irrigation helps? It helps in reducing water wastage. Do remember, reduces and allied sectors and value addition. You remember one scheme we've discussed, Namo Drone Didi scheme, in which self-help groups are being trained to how to operate a drone, and with the help of drones, now they can spray the chemical fertilizers or other chemicals required for plant growth. So all the schemes are now brought under this one umbrella scheme. Also remember that under this scheme, 24,000 crores have been allotted annually, and it will benefit around 1.72 crore farmers. Let's get to next scheme. What is the next scheme? The next scheme is Mission for Atmanirbharta in Pulses. What is the meaning of Atmanirbharta? That is becoming independent. Like right, even till now, even we are the major producer of pulses in the world, but still sometimes we are still importing 15 to 20% of our pulses need. So to overcome, we have launched this mission for Atmanirbharta in pulses. What is the nodal ministry? Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. What is the objective? Objective is to achieve self-reliance, that is Atmanirbharta in pulses, by boosting domestic production and reducing imports and enhancing farmer income. Okay, so what are its silent features? Silent features are which crop does it focuses? It focuses on primarily on tur, that is arhar dal, urad, and masoor, red lentil. It also assures 100% procurement of tur, urad, masoor under the price support scheme of PM Asha. What is the PM Asha scheme? PM Asha scheme stands from Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan. It was launched in the year 2018. I will mention, right, for the next 4 years by agencies such as National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India and National Cooperative Consumers Federation of India. In, what is its main focus? Its focus is to increase pulse production to 350 lakh tons by 2030-31 and expand area under pulses to 310 lakh hectares. It will benefit how many farmers? It will benefit around 2 crore farmers. Right? It will also bring better like crop rotation. You know, na? Like the farmers are stuck with one or other crop. So with this mission, or this scheme, farmers can now change to pulses, and they are assured with 100% procurement. So there will be no loss of the farmer. Okay. So what is the next program? Next program is Bharat TradeNet. It was also launched in the year of this current union budget. Okay. What is the nodal ministry? Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Who is our current minister for this ministry? His name is Mr. Piyush Goyal. Right? What is the aim of this? The aim is to create a seamless digital trade ecosystem that simplifies trade documentation, financing, and regulatory compliance, thereby reducing cost and time for Indian exporters and importers. So basically, what is it? That they have made a single unified window in which any exporter or importer who needs documentation can simply file through that window, and he will get a digital format of his or her application. Also, what government or the current agency has tried is that whatever document we are filing, they are of international standards, right? So one document can be used seamlessly in another country. So there is no requirement of changing the document. So this will help us in removing all the kinks that were in export or import related documentation, right? Okay. Next is, you might know this Makhana board. This has been in news a lot. It was also launched in the Union Budget of 25-26. Nodal ministries, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. You might have seen that many of the schemes we have discussed belong to the Ministry of Agriculture, right? And what is the aim? The aim is to promote cultivation, processing, value addition, global marketing of makhana in Bihar, so as to increase farmers' income and position India as a major exporter. You know that India exports roughly around 80 to 90% of makhana in the whole world. We are the major exporters, 80 to 90%. Okay. And what is makhana's English name? Do you remember? You should know. Foxnut. Also remember that foxnut is also known as black diamond. And you know na, in which state it will open? The board is being opened in Bihar. Okay. The next scheme is Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak Scheme. Okay. Launched in the which Union Budget of 25-26. Nodal Ministry is Ministry of Education. Who is the current minister? Do let me know in the comment box. Do mention it. What is the objective? The objective is to enable equitable access to quality textbooks and learning materials in Indian languages, that is mother tongue or regional language, for students in schools and higher education, thereby promoting multilingual education. You might have seen that till now what was happening was that majority of our curriculum books have been in English. So to give a push to regional language or mother language, in national education policy launched in the year, tell me, national education policy was launched in the year 2020. It emphasizes on promoting teaching in regional language. So therefore, more number of people can participate. That is, more number of students can come and participate. Right? What are the salient features of this scheme? This scheme will cover digital textbooks and learning resources in Indian languages across both schools and higher education levels. There is a focus on translation of existing textbooks as well as original writing in Indian languages. We have already discussed, so that to promote Indian languages and regional languages, and therefore more number of students can participate in their learning, right? So what are the covered disciplines? It will apply to existing courses, UGPG, that is undergraduate or postgraduate, in arts, commerce, science, law, agriculture, medicine, etc. The scheme does not apply to new courses per se, that is new courses that have been just designed, right? Okay. The scheme is aligned with National Education Policy 2020 NEP, which emphasizes use of mother tongue and regional languages in education, right? So that's all for today. And as you know, it has been a wonderful journey in which I have also learned a lot with you. And I hope so that you have also learned a lot with us. I will also like to tell you that there are many other structured courses that we are providing on our platform, in which helps you making your preparation journey smarter, right? And making it less harder. So do check out our Telegram group and do check out our website. Also, we have started a course on government scheme in which we are providing MCQs and other material for you to study. You can go and check it out. I will show you the website. In this course, you will get more than 13,000 MCQs to practice, from where you can get a strong hold on government schemes. Also, we have given the relevant current affairs related to all the government schemes. Those have been in news, right? So do check it out from the link given in the description below. And that is all from me. We will meet again in a new series shortly. So that's all from me. Have a good day.